Hey everyone, have you ever thought about the environmental impact of just browsing the internet? So every website we visit runs on server, and these servers use a ton of electricity. So it's a hidden environmental cost, and so our project wanted to make it visible. So that's why we created a Chrome extension called Sustainable Browser Tracker, a simple extension that helps you see your digital footprint so that you make greener choices. So I'm going to show you how the extension works. So for example, this is the UI for it. So currently I have visited 0 sites, so it's brand new, and so there is no record of it. Now let's say I visit a website, Facebook, and I click on the extension again. So it will show you the number of green websites I visited, which is 0. Yeah, you can see that minus 5 eco points. The reason for this is Facebook is not really a green site. And how do I know this? Because of this. So there is an API call which we make through our application to this server, Green Web Foundation. This actually returns a JSON, which is like it will return a Boolean value to check if the website is green or not. Basically, they check that if this is like a very high carbon footprint website or not. Now, for example, I visit a non, let's say, yeah, let's say Google. Google is supposedly a greener website. So, and I click on this. So you can see that this site is green, and the number of websites I visited, because I refreshed Google twice, that's why it says 2 of 3. Oh, yeah. So there's one more thing. So if, for example, you have visited a non-green website and you want alternatives for it, so the extension automatically detects that it's a non-green website, and based on that, it's gonna show you a pop-up. So if you can just press options and yes, find me the alternatives, and in the background, it's gonna work on it. So till that time, you can actually browse this non-green website, and by the end of it, you'll. So let's say you go to Facebook, you can browse this in a low power mode. So I've set it as grayscale. So this low power is also for your own laptop, right? Because your own laptop is also consuming a lot of battery and electricity. So if you browse in grayscale, it's gonna help with consuming less electricity. uh, so it's still, the extension is still trying to find the alternatives. uh, yeah, basically. And we also have like these reward points. So whenever you visit like these non-green green websites, they give you some progress points, and we are also calculating the amount of carbon emitted. So basically, the longer you stay in any websites, some kind of carbon is already emitted. But if you are staying longer in a non-green website, then this carbon emission is actually quite larger than the non-green websites. So not an individual. And then, so we also have rankings for it. So the more points you gain by being in a green website, you gain badges. So see, you increased, so 70, so it becomes an eco starter. So yeah, so basically the AI has found it. So in the backend, we are just calling in Gemini API to find the other alternatives. Okay, this is not the website for it. Site is not green according to our API. So the browser extension is going to actually try to find some alternatives, and this is the pop-up for it. You click on this option and yes, find me an alternative. So when you click on this, in the backend, the Gemini API is being run, and it's actually going to find the green alternatives to Facebook. So as you guys can see, I tried to find alternatives for Facebook. Now I'm gonna click on this extension, and it has gone to Mastodon. So this is actually a greener alternative to Facebook that the extension has automatically found. It has called the Gemini API to find this website, and you can see that this way you can actually browse the internet in a much healthier and a greener way, so that you consume less electricity. And that's actually the aim of this entire project, that Basically, that you browse the internet in a much greener way and sustainable, so that you consume less electricity and make the world a better place. Thank you.